Okay. I'm filming this. Breathe. Okay, let me start again. Whew. Welcome back to my... Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is... Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. But it's your first time here. My name is Gary, aka the Plastic Boy, period. Today's video, I need to breathe. If you hear the wind, it's probably because the window's open. Oh my god, okay, so today's video is very exciting, as you can tell by the title. This is my first collaboration. I'm so excited! I'm super excited. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know the news, but this is just too much. I can't believe I'm filming this video right now and then. I was gonna pre-film this, but I decided to do it the night before just because if I did it like a few months ago, it would have been like natural, what it would have. It's just too much. Okay, let me breathe. Do you like how I match the background? No. Gold on my chain, gold on my ring, gold on my watch, gold on my chain. Anyway, so I need to tell you about my collaboration. So let me just show you. Let me just put it to the bush because y'all are here for this. Let me show you. So here is my collaboration. Maybach music on the beat. So I have collaborated with Eylure and we are a lash squad. So Eylure approached me a few months ago last year, just before the summer had started. Well, it was summer, and I got a call saying they wanted to do a lash with me, and I was like, huh? What? Who? Eylure are one of the biggest lash companies ever. If you know, they've collaborated with Girls Aloud, Jordan Woods, Fleur de Force, anyone you can think of, Eylure have done it. I remember wearing Eylure when they had the Girls Aloud lashes, and I used to rock the Jouer lashes non-stop. Even when I went to a meeting with them, I told them this, and the Jouer lashes are still on stock, well, still being sold because it was such a good lash. Oh my god. Okay, I can't breathe. Where's my fan? Guys, I need to breathe. I'm sorry, I need to breathe. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, I'm literally sweating. It's so hot in here. I'm sweating because I'm so nervous. I'm super excited to announce this to you. It feels like a dream come true. So here are the lashes here. So let me show you the first one. This is called Bad and Bougie. So these are super wispy, 3-dimensional. Eylure is cruelty-free. These are natural fibers. No animals were killed to use these. There's different styles, each influencer. So there's 4 of us. So it's me, Felicity Hayward, Sabina Hanan, and Bryony Blake. There's different lashes for each influencer. So I'm super excited to be in the eyelash squad with them. I'm not going to get emotional because I'm too beat to cry. There's no need to put all this makeup on if I'm going to get emotional, but I just need to calm down, zen. And yeah, these are Bad and Bougie. These are my babies. I've been wearing them for months and months. I actually wore them in yesterday's video. I've been stacking them up. I love them double stacked. They're beautiful by themselves. I've got them on now. Oh! These are them just by themselves, but they're beautiful stacked up by themselves. And my other pair are called Snatched. So if you know me, I say snatched a lot because you can be snatched in the mind, snatched in the soul, snatched in the waist, snatched in the makeup, just snatched in all kind of ways. So I originally had a different name, but then one of the girls was like, oh my god, you call it Bad and Bougie? And I was like, is that name taken? And she was like, ah! And I would have put it Bad and Bougie, but I was just scared because, you know, Migos don't want to get a lawsuit, you know, blah, blah, blah. But this is spelled in a completely different way. And obviously, Bad and Bougie wasn't trademarked by them, even though it is a song, low-key. But anyway, who cares? So this is Bad and Bougie again. This is what they look like. They're super wispy. I'm going to take them out the packaging to show you. Super nice. And that's me, guys. It's me. Let me show you the back. I need to calm down. Let me have a beauty blender. Hold on. Whew. Okay, I need to calm down. A bitch is sweating. What in the Caribbean is going on? I feel like I'm in Jamaica. It's so hot. Okay. That's me at the back. Look at that. That's my eye saying before and after. Like, that is my eyepiece, sis. It also says my name on here, my Instagram. It's just so crazy to me that, like, I am on a lash box with... Okay. Breathe. Okay. I'm not gonna get emotional. Anyway, These lashes are going to be exclusively to Boots. I'm so sorry to my US fam. They're only going to be available in the UK, but you guys know I'm going to do a giveaway for you. I'm going to give them away to so many of you guys because I love you guys so much. And I want you guys to have a piece of me, and these eyelashes are a piece of me. These are my babies. I love them so much. I've been rocking them for months and months in videos, Instagram videos, but I just haven't been saying what they are. It's just crazy to me that this is my kind of baby, and I'm going to take them out of the package for you so you guys can see what they look like up close, but let me just break it down for you like okay, so guys, I'm back. Let me get the price for you just so I don't want to get anything wrong. I need to give you all the right information. So Snatched, which are these ones. These are a bit more of a single strip, more kind of natural-ish. These are $6.45, and Bad and Bougie because these are 3-dimensional. These are $7.95. So each lash is kind of for a different person, obviously boy and girl. So Bad and Bougie, you know, is for that bad kind of bitch, bad kind of boy, you know, that likes to go out at nighttime, likes to hit the town, daytime or nighttime, period. We're wearing these lashes. What about it? And Snatched are my babies. Snatched are for, you know, you can wear these in the daytime, you can wear these to dinner, you can wear these to a little cute midday lunch. They're obviously not as heavy, but they're still super, super cute. And these both don't feel heavy on the eyes, guys. Period. And what I like about this, the whole packaging, everything inside is reusable. You get a glue with it. You get a glue with it, period. And the glue lasts up to 18 hours, which is amazing. You can put it in your handbag. You can give it to your boyfriend, girlfriend, mom, baby daddies. Who even cares? Sugar daddy. Not judging, not judging. But anyway, let me take them out the lashes for you so I can show you. Oh my God, I'm literally dropping lipstick. So let me open Snatched. Oh my God, I feel like I need to do this properly because I don't want to damage the packaging. So guys, here are Snatched. So this is what Snatched look like. They are super, super full and super wispy. You can obviously add mascara if you want them a bit more wispy and full, but they're super, super gorgeous. Obviously, they have R and L, so you won't have to be confused if it's the right eye or the left eye, which I totally normally do. And this are Bad and Bougie, which I have on right now, which I wore in yesterday's video. And here they are here. So this is Bad and Bougie. They're 3-dimensional. They are super, super nice. They kind of flare out at the end because they make your eyes look more elongated and a bit more almond shaped. I love these. These are literally my babies. I love them both, but you know I'm a bit of Bad and Bougie. My camera doesn't want to focus, but here they are here. So by the time the video goes up tomorrow, the announcement would have been made and the lashes will start rolling out in stores next week. But I'll definitely be going to the store and obviously be doing like the grand, you know, kind of gesture being like, my lashes are in store. I'm going to vlog it so you guys will be able to see when I go into store and everything. And obviously for my US followers, I'll be doing so many giveaways. So you guys will get your hands on the lashes. And to my UK followers, they're exclusive to Boots. So when you walk past the Boots, make sure you go and see my face, honey. I just cannot believe this. To me, this is more than a collaboration. If you would have told me like maybe 3 or 4 years ago I'll be doing a collaboration with Eylure, I would honestly would have been like, sis, why are you lying? Like, get out my face. Like, to me, I just never thought I would ever get a collab like this, or in general. Like, I don't know, I just feel like for Eylure to do this, especially me being a black boy in the beauty industry, obviously it's very heavily female dominated. What am I talking about? I feel like they've just, I don't know, stepped above the marker and gone above the game. Obviously just, oh, it just means so much to me. Thank you so much, Eylure, if you're watching this. Well, obviously you probably might be watching this. I just want to say thank you so much, just because for me, when I was watching YouTube, like, I just want to give a big shout out to Star Milan. He was the first black boy I watched on YouTube, and he is just amazing, and he's one of the inspirations that got me into like doing beauty in the first place. And for me as a black boy in beauty, this means a lot, because for generations growing up now, they can see this collaboration and be like, you know what, I can do it, I can get a collaboration. Because before there wasn't black boys getting collaborations like that, and now this is just like the small piece of a pod. I feel like more collaborations for black boys needs to happen, period. And I'm just happy with my babies, Bad and Bougie, Snatched, period. So thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want it to be too long. I hope you guys enjoy these lashes as much as I do. Obviously there's more of the Lash Squad. I've got Felicity, Sabina and Bryony. They all have amazing lashes also, so check out their lashes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to be more in tune with what's going on and to be updated, but I'll be updating you guys on YouTube as well. Thank you so much for watching this. So obviously if you have the lashes, if you get a pair, make sure to tag me and I'll be doing so many giveaways, guys. I'm actually sweating because I'm so nervous, but thank you so much for tuning into this video. I love you all so much. I will see you in next week's video, which will be on Sunday. Stay safe, have a blessed week, and I love you guys so much. Bye.